So this is a song I made, and yeah, song's called Let's Get Together. You sent me a message, I didn't want to reply, so I kept you waiting, cause you knew that I was shy. Everything I thought was just an ordinary feeling, so I waited for the day when we had a secret meeting. I told you that day I couldn't really let go. Who would've thought I'd be the first one to let you know I like you, girl, so I'm gonna try my best so you can notice me, and not by the way I dress. I wouldn't call you hot, I would consider you beautiful. I wouldn't call you magician, even though you make things magical. You were with me, I change everything for you. So it's pretty cliche of me, but you know that's how I do. I just wanna stand out from the rest of the crowd. Just wanna lay down with you, just chill and watch the clouds. Talking about your day, trying to make you laugh. Talking about your heart and how I'm the missing half. You told me that men were wrong and how you get into fights. The only thing you need to believe is that I'm Mr. Right. Wouldn't ever treat you wrong, cause that's just how I am. I